Hello there, I'd like to show you the common breads available in a Filipino bakery. Here we have milk bread, hopia, it has sweetened mung beans inside. This is donuts for 6 pesos. And this is my favorite, the ube bar for 6 pesos. This is soft and sweet bread kababayan. This is pan de coco, it has coconut inside. This is choco roll for 5 pesos. This is chocolate cupcake. This is cheese cupcake for 5 pesos. And we have here cheese roll. It has cheese inside. And this is ube bread for 5 pesos. This is cheese bun for 6 pesos. This is choco roll for 6 pesos also. And this is my favorite pudding. This is Spanish bread, and this is ensaymada. This is monay. This is again pan de coco. This is again chocolate roll. This is putok. It's hard. And this is monay. Again, this is Sputnik, and this is the small putok. Esto es una pan española. Pabili nga po. Pudding po. Dalawa tsaka isang putok. Yan. Salamat. We got here some breads. This is putok. It's hard bread with sugar on top. It's hard, guys. What we have here is called pudding in the Philippines. Pudding. It's composed of different unsold bread chopped and combined together, and they sweetened it. Now it's a new bread. It's called pudding. It's sweet. It's heavy in the stomach. It's dense. It's sweet, but it's delicious. It's not common here. They do this if they unsold some bread.